Welcome to BSBA 2212, Principles of Microeconomics. I'm your professor, Dr. Amy Godfrey, and I put together this video to give you an idea of how this course is structured and some tips on how to be successful. So tip number one, get the book. The book open the book. The book is going to be your best friend for this class. You're going to have to read every single chapter at least once, more than likely twice, and if you really don't understand it, 3 times. Okay? When you read the chapter, first time, read it, get an idea of what we're talking about. Second time, take notes as you read it. Use those notes, put page numbers down, use those notes as you do the homeworks and the quizzes and the tests. So online, I know you have all the resources that available to you. Use them. Use them as you take the quizzes and the tests and do the homeworks, okay? Also for this class, for each chapter, I've given you a lot of the tools that the textbook has. The tools include flashcards, videos from the authors of the textbooks. I've also included some YouTube videos that have been done exceptionally well. Those were all tools that will help you understand the material and hopefully help you be successful in this class. Economics is hard and it takes a lot of work and effort to understand it. So I want you, tip number 2, is to use as much time as you would spend, say, sitting in a classroom and studying for a regular face-to-face class. Use that same amount of time on this course. Read everything. Use all the tools. If you still don't understand it, contact me. That's tip number 3. Contact me. If you don't understand, just because you're an online class doesn't mean you can't. Contact me and I can help you. We can meet, or I can answer you via email, whatever we need to do to help you understand the material. Tip number 4, draw it out. When you're doing economics, there's a lot of graphs, a lot of supply and demand curves, things shifting and moving. Draw that stuff out as you're taking quizzes and doing tests and just going through examples. Draw it out, see how things move. To me, that's the best way to understand what's going on, is to draw everything out. Yeah, I know you may not be the best artist. That don't matter. Just make sure you draw it out. See how things are shifting. See what happens to price or quantity or whatever we're talking about. Use those graphs. Draw them, and they will help you understand what's going on in your chapters, in your quizzes, and in your tests. Now, when you're taking your quizzes and tests, make sure that you devote the time necessary to take them. Once you open them, that's all the time you get. You have to complete it once you've opened it, okay? As you're taking them, take your time. There's no rush. You have 30 minutes to do each quiz. You have 2 hours to do each test. Quizzes have 5 questions. The tests have 50. They're all multiple choice. Take your time. That doesn't mean you need to look up every answer in the book, but take your time as you take them. Also, a key, because internet outages happen or Moodle goes crazy, make sure you write down all of your answers for all of your quizzes and your tests, or take your phone out and take a picture of them. So in case you have submission problems, just send to me your answers you wrote down or what you took the picture of the screen. Send that to me. I'll grade it and it'll work just as fine as if it actually submitted correctly, okay? So do that. It saves you time, saves me time. Life is good. Read the book. Take the quizzes. Do the homeworks. Do them on time. Everything opens on Mondays and closes at midnight on Sundays. Make sure you look each week and make sure you get everything in by midnight on Sunday. Do not start them at like 11 o'clock on Sunday night, because maybe Moodle's not working or your internet's out. Don't wait till the last minute. You have the entire week. Do it sometime in that week. Don't wait till the last second, okay? Use all the materials. Contact me if you don't understand something. That's what I'm here for. I'll help. And Good luck this semester.